The British monarchy boasts a rich and complex history, evolving from the early kingdoms of Anglo-Saxon England to its present-day constitutional role. While 5,000 words could delve into minute details, this overview will explore the key periods and transformations of this enduring institution. The Anglo-Saxon origins c. 5वीं century 1066. The foundations of the English monarchy lie in the fragmented landscape of Anglo-Saxon England. Following the Roman withdrawal in the 5th century, various kingdoms emerged, including Wessex, Mercia, Northumbria, and Kent. Over several centuries, these kingdoms vied for dominance. Key developments. Sitara emergence of Wessex. By the 9th century, the Kingdom of Wessex, under rulers like Alfred the Great 871-899, rose to prominence, resisting Viking incursions and gradually unifying the other Anglo-Saxon territories. Alfred adopted the title, King of the Anglo-Saxons, laying the groundwork for a unified English kingdom. Sitara consolidation of England. Alfred's successors continued the work of unification. Aethelstan 925-939 is generally regarded as the first king to rule over a unified England. Sitara Danish influence. The 10th and 11th centuries saw renewed Viking raids and periods of Danish rule, most notably under Canute the Great 1-1-6-1-3-5 who ruled a vast North Sea empire including England. Sitara Edward the Confessor 1-4-2-1-6-6, his reign marked a return to Anglo-Saxon rule but also saw increasing Norman influence. The succession crisis following his death led to the Norman conquest. The Norman conquest and its aftermath 1-6-6-1-4. The Battle of Hastings in 1066 marked a pivotal moment. William the Conqueror, Duke of Normandy, defeated the Anglo-Saxon King Harold Godwinson, establishing Norman rule. Key changes. Sitara feudal system. William introduced a more structured feudal system, consolidating power in the hands of the monarch and the Norman aristocracy. Land ownership was tied to loyalty and service to the crown. Sitara centralized administration. The Normans established a more efficient system of governance, as evidenced by the Domesday Book 1086, a comprehensive survey of land ownership and resources. Sitara impact on monarchy. The Norman kings possessed greater power and authority compared to their Anglo-Saxon predecessors. The line of succession became more clearly defined, although still subject to political maneuvering. Sitara succession crisis. Following the death of Henry I, a succession crisis known as the Anarchy 1-3-1-4 erupted between his nephew Stephen and his daughter Matilda. This period of civil war weakened the authority of the crown. The Plantagenet dynasty 1-4-1-8. Henry II, Matilda's son, established the Plantagenet dynasty, a long and significant era in English history. Key features. Sitara expansion of royal power. Plantagenet kings like Henry II strengthened royal administration, reformed the legal system, and asserted their authority over the church. Sitara conflicts with the barons. Despite their power, Plantagenet monarchs faced challenges from powerful barons who sought to limit royal authority. This culminated in King John's signing of Magna Carta in 1215, a landmark document that established principles of law and limited royal power. Sitara wars and territorial ambitions. The Plantagenets engaged in numerous wars, particularly with France, driven by territorial claims and dynastic ambitions. Sitara the rise of Parliament. During the Plantagenet era, the institution of Parliament began to evolve, initially as a council of nobles and clergy but gradually incorporating representatives of the shires and towns. Sitara the Wars of the Roses 1-4-5-1-4. This period of dynastic conflict between the House of Lancaster and the House of York significantly weakened the Plantagenet line and paved the way for the Tudor dynasty. The Tudor dynasty 1-8-1-6. Henry victory at the Battle of Bosworth Field in 1485 marked the beginning of the Tudor dynasty, a period of significant change and consolidation of royal power. Key developments. Sitara's strong centralized monarchy. The Tudors established a powerful and centralized monarchy. Henry VIII's break with the Roman Catholic Church and the establishment of the Church of England significantly enhanced royal authority. Sitara the English Reformation. This religious upheaval had profound political and social consequences, placing the monarch at the head of both the state and the church. Sitara the reign of Elizabeth I 1-5-8-6. Elizabeth's long and successful reign is often considered a golden age in English history. She navigated religious tensions, defended England against the Spanish Armada, and fostered a flourishing cultural scene. Sitara's succession crisis. As Elizabeth I had no direct heirs, her death led to the accession of James Chutta of Scotland, uniting the crowns of England and Scotland. The Stuart dynasty 1603 से 1714. The Stuart era was marked by increasing tensions between the Crown and Parliament over issues of religion, finance, and the extent of royal power. Key events: Sitara Personal Union of England and Scotland. James I of Scotland became the first Stuart monarch of England, though the two countries remained legally separate. Sitara growing conflict with Parliament. James I and his son Charles I clashed repeatedly with Parliament over royal prerogatives and financial matters. Sitara the English Civil War 1642 से 1651. This conflict between royalist and parliamentarian forces resulted in the defeat and execution of Charles I and the establishment of the Commonwealth under Oliver Cromwell. Sitara the Restoration 1660. The monarchy was restored with Charles II, but the powers of the crown were more circumscribed than before the Civil War. Sitara the Glorious Revolution 1688. James' Catholic leanings and attempts to assert royal power led to his deposition and the invitation of his Protestant daughter Mary and her husband William of Orange to become joint monarchs. Sitara the Bill of Rights 1689. This landmark legislation for the limited royal power, established parliamentary supremacy, and guaranteed certain rights and liberties to the people. Sitara the Act of Union 1707. Under Queen Anne, the kingdoms of England and Scotland were formally united to create the Kingdom of Great Britain. The Hanoverian dynasty 1714 से 1901. The Hanoverian succession, following the death of Queen Anne without a Protestant heir, marked a further shift in the balance of power towards Parliament. Key developments: Sitara constitutional monarchy. The Hanoverian monarchs, particularly George I and George II, were less involved in direct governance, relying increasingly on their ministers. This period saw the firm establishment of a constitutional monarchy, where the monarch reigns but does not rule. Sitara the rise of the Prime Minister. The role of the Prime Minister as the head of government grew in importance during this era. Sitara the reign of Queen Victoria 1837 से 1901. Victoria's long reign saw the British monarchy become a symbol of national unity in the vast British Empire. While still wielding significant influence, her political power was largely exercised through her ministers. The 20वीं and 21वीं centuries, the House of Windsor 1901 present. The 20वीं century brought unprecedented challenges and transformations for the monarchy. Key features: Sitara change of dynasty name. During World War I, the family name was changed from Saxe-Coburg and Gotha to Windsor due to anti-German sentiment. Sitara the abdication crisis 1936. Edward VIII's decision to abdicate to marry Wallis Simpson, a divorced American, shook the monarchy but ultimately demonstrated its resilience. Sitara World Wars and social change. The monarchy played a symbolic role during both world wars, providing a sense of national unity. The post-war era saw significant social and political changes, and the monarchy adapted to a more egalitarian society. Sitara the reign of Queen Elizabeth II 1952 से 2022. Elizabeth's long reign was characterized by a strong sense of duty, continuity, and adaptation to changing times. She witnessed the dismantling of the British Empire and the evolution of the Commonwealth. Her reign saw increased media scrutiny of the royal family. Sitara the modern monarchy. The current monarch, King Charles III 2022 present, faces the challenge of maintaining the monarchy's relevance in the 21st century. The role of the monarch is primarily symbolic, encompassing functions such as Sitara head of state, appointing the prime minister, opening parliament, giving royal assent to legislation. Sitara head of nation, providing a focus for national identity, unity, and pride, recognizing achievement and excellence, supporting voluntary service. Sitara head of the Commonwealth, a symbolic role representing the association of independent nations. Sitara head of the Church of England, a formal role with historical significance. In conclusion, the British monarchy has undergone a remarkable evolution over centuries. From its Anglo-Saxon roots to its present constitutional role, it has adapted to political, social, and religious changes. While its direct political power has diminished significantly, it remains a potent symbol of national identity, continuity, and tradition in the United Kingdom. The challenges for the modern monarchy lie in maintaining its relevance and public support in an ever-changing world.